It's just like a mini pitchfork. You can take it and just push stuff. You can really move a lot pretty fast.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spading Fork.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday. It's Tool Saturday around here and it's day 152 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
If you don't know, that's us. We're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different projects around our garden while we're under quarantine.
And thank you for being here and for watching today, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already so that you don't miss all our daily videos.
And guys, if you missed it, we just finished up a 4-day renovation of a landscape project in Ocean Shores, so go ahead and check that out. So guys, today is Garden Hand Tool Saturday, and we wanted to show you all the different things you can do with a spading fork.
Yeah, Spading Fork is new to me. I know I've never used one before. Sean introduced it to me, so it's a really useful tool.
Yeah, you can use it to aerate, you can use it to break up soil and weed, you can use it to move different kinds of mulches or material. It's a really useful and versatile tool.
So guys, here's our spading fork. They come in a lot of different variations, different handles, maybe a little bit different look, maybe more rounded look, not so square for these tines. It's a short-handled tool, usually with some type of grip on the top. It usually has 4 tines on the bottom, and each one of these are a tine. And so they can have 2 tines, 3 tines, 4 tines, sometimes 5 tines, but usually 4 tines is the normal. And this is a great tool. It's got a little curve to it. It's really sturdy. We like this one from True Temper. It's really good. We've got a lot of use out of it so far. And we'll have a link down below for it so you can check that out too in the description of this video. So guys, the uses of this, pretty versatile in your garden, like we were talking about. First thing that you can use a spading fork for in your garden is to aerate your grass. And it's real simple. Just take it, put it down, that's it, up and down. That's pretty much it. If you want to get a little bit lower, you want to get down deeper into the soil, use your foot. Kind of do this a little bit, shake it, and then bring it up. Do it again. That's it. It's good for aerating your grass, and it's also good for aerating your garden bed soil. You can do exactly the same thing in your garden bed if you want to put some holes in there to help with air infiltration and with water infiltration. So guys, to aerate our garden beds, we're just going to go right over here and we're going to aerate around these plants. So you can see we've got our coleus here, we've got our aronia, and so just around these, we planted these earlier this year, and so, but we want to keep that soil aerated. We want to also make sure that enough water is getting down deep into the soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the spading fork to just come in here and kind of move this stuff around. It's going down pretty easy. You can see that. I don't even need to use my foot, but what I'm doing is I'm actually creating space in this soil for air and water to get down further into the soil profile. And you can do this kind of hodgepodge like I'm doing it, or you can do it in a grid system and just kind of go back and forth. It's completely up to you. So, but that's how you would use this to aerate the soil in your garden bed. Pretty simple, right? So next, let's look at using this spading fork to move material around in your garden. Let's say like arborist mulch. So guys, here we are in front of a small arborist chip pile. I'm gonna use this spading fork to just move it around. So here we go. It's just like a mini pitchfork. You can take it and just push stuff. It works pretty easy. Now you don't get to get a huge load with it, but you can really move a lot pretty fast. So on top of all these things that it can do, you can also use this to remove weeds and remove grass if you want to. So let's say down below here, we wanted to remove this grass and we wanted to do it by hand because it's just a small bit, a small amount. And so what we would do is we could use the spading fork to basically get in, get down, pop it up, and then you just kind of keep going around it or in that area. And see what I'm doing? You can just basically pull that right up. It makes it real easy. So, and that's how you can use it to weed. So guys, those are some great ways to use a spading fork around your garden, and maybe you know of some others. So let us know down below in the comments area.
Yeah, have you ever used a spading fork before? Maybe?
So guys, if you're looking for even more content, but you want exclusive content, go to our Patreon page at patreon.com/spoken_garden. And there you'll see different tiers of content that we're starting to curate for you, and you can be a member and find out what those different levels are. So with that, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for today, you guys. That's our tool for you, and we'll be back tomorrow with another new project, so come on back to see what we're up to. We hope you have a great day ahead.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.